Hello and welcome to this episode of Simply Sports with me, Clive Alvarez. Today I have a very special guest on the show. Well, she has won many awards at a very young age. She has represented Goa, she has represented India. To give a short to give a short brief about the awards she has won the gold medal for volleyball at the Lusophone Games held in 2014. She has got bronze at the BRICS tournament held in South Africa. She has won gold at the senior nationals, and recently she's won the trophy of the Nepal Prime Minister. Well, she has many more awards to her name. Well, we'll get to know more about them as we talk to her. Well, I would like to welcome Stancy Fernandes to the show. Stancy, welcome.
Thank you.
My first question is now, how did you get into volleyball?
Actually, first of all, I was very inspired to my dad.
Okay.
He used to play football and he was very fond of volleyball,
Okay.
know. Yeah, so he used to organize the All India tournaments which were organized in our village in
Okay.
Kurtorim. So through that, I was very much inspired to play, like kaunal nahi ho, but still I wanted to go into it. So slowly, when I was in 7th standard, I started my practicing in school. And yeah, that happened to.
Okay, आता इतली वर्षांतून क्या होता है? How have you progressed as a player over time? How do you think that you've progressed?
Yeah, so first of all, when I was in Goa, I didn't get that time of this thing, like I don't have proper coaches and all.
Okay.
So I decided when I was in 11th standard, I got a call from one coach from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And she was like, you have a very good height and all. You can come to Chennai. You can play there
Okay.
For such a small club,
Yeah.
And I was like, okay. I asked my parents, and she was like, okay, if you want, you can go. You can go and try it off and all. So I just went there and I saw the training and was very good, Like I told my dad that I want to go and join them.
Okay.
So I went there and I started my practicing over there. So I started when I was in first year. I joined this thing. It was Ethraj College.
Okay.
I completed my graduation over there.
Okay.
So I represent for a Tamil Nadu team, and I played senior nationals for Tamil Nadu team,
Okay.
and I played junior nationals for Tamil Nadu team, and I got gold medal for that team.
Okay.
And if I was in Goa, I was never been.
So you're basically saying there's nothing for volleyball in Goa.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Correct.
Which position do you play?
I play as an attacker,
Okay.
smasher.
Okay. So what does one player? I mean, what does one person need to become an attacker or a smasher?
Yeah. So first of all, we need a very volleyball means you must be very quick.
Oh,
The
yeah.
friction of time, the ball you
Yeah.
have to just see. You have to watch the ball.
Yeah.
So you need very good practice. You need a good coach, trainer. Like you need good strength. While playing, you have to hit the ball. You have to smash that
Yeah.
ball. Like yeah. So
Do you get the thrill while smashing the ball?
yeah,
Is
I
that
feel very good. Like we in football, you can hit this thing. If
Yeah.
any man comes on,
Yeah.
you can hit this thing. But we have net over there,
Yeah.
so we can smash. Tuka rag bhi nahi lozala. Okay, maro. You can
all your frustrations you can
frustration,
remove?
aggressiveness.
Yeah.
You can show over there. So it's
Before, like players have their pre-ritual things. Do you have anything before the game, like a pre-ritual, anything?
pre-ritual, like mostly we'll have some normal warm up and all, like okay, evening match hazalya, like slowly we'll do something. We have to prepare, mentally we have to prepare, like normally we do this thing, nothing
Okay.
more than that.
You've won so many medals now.
Yeah.
You Lusophone, BRICS. You've gone to South Africa. How was the experience in South Africa when you went there?
Actually, in South Africa, China won the first place.
Yeah.
The team is very good and they have a good this thing, like good coaches and all. They have the different level of practicing. We don't
Yeah.
have that, but if we had the same thing, even we can do the good thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Like we can play as this thing, and we can also get the first place in that. So in Thailand, I went in Bangkok. We played against Thailand team, and we won against them. So I got the best measure over there,
Oh.
and all the Indians were there. So I feel that tournament was very proud moment for me
Okay.
for this thing. Yeah.
But how does it feel as a player? Like you won so many medals now. Lucifonia Games is also not a small thing.
Yeah.
How does it feel to win all these medals?
Yeah, it feels very good, like getting first place and all. Like I feel very good. Like yeah, my parents and all will be feeling
Yeah.
so much the same. What is that?
आता हिंच्या टीमिंग होता तू
I played for Indian Railways now.
Indian Railways you're
currently,
playing.
Yeah.
We talk about parents and all not supporting. How you said your parents also gave you support.
Yeah.
How important is it for a player to get their parents support? Normally players don't get support of their
Yeah.
parents. Mami support konna. But how does it feel for you? Like your parents actually backing you?
Actually, yeah. Before my mother used
Yeah.
to drop me for practices.
Oh.
Every day she used to come. She used to take me back home. Again, I have to go for tuitions and all. She was like very good this thing for me, a guardian for me. So I think like all the parents should support their children. They have to be this thing with them.
So
that's
you have volleyball training sessions every day.
yeah.
What do you do like after your volleyball training? What do you do in your free time?
Actually, free time, we'll go out for this thing. We won't get much of time because now, if you play for Indian Railways team, they give us 330 days leave, 1 year leave.
Oh, okay.
We don't go to office and all. Morning, evening, we'll practice, and that's it.
Okay.
Not more than that. And if you want to meet your parents and all, like 15 days, they'll give us
they'll-
leave. Just go home
Wow.
with them and come
Okay.
back.
So now what is your plan? Like you've already achieved so much. What is your plan for the next, say, 5 years?
Yeah, 5 years. Actually, 5 years I'll play, but the thing is now coming September there is Asian Games.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm just planning for that now. Next month is our selection trials. So I have to be there, and I want to be in the team for Asian Games. It's
Okay.
a senior, like.
Okay.
Yeah. If you play Asian Games, then only you will get qualified to World Championship. Then
Yeah.
only Olympics. So we have to go certain this thing,
Yeah.
stages like. So that's all.
Like in volleyball, there's indoor tournament, indoor volleyball, and there's
Yeah,
beach volleyball.
beach
Do you?
Yeah, I
do
played
you?
beach volleyball in Goa team once.
Okay.
Then yeah, it's very.
How
good.
do you like indoor or do you like?
No, I like indoor because
Okay.
yeah.
Why would you like? Why would you prefer indoor?
Because beach volleyball it's a very difficult, because beach volleyball only plays as a two players. Like full court you have to cover. You need more strength in that. And even the air control, you need everything. So I prefer more indoor game.
As a professional player, I think you will have one match which will stand out. Which one is it? Could you please explain it? Explain it to us. Like one match which you played where you you stood out and you think that this is the match I liked.
Yeah, recently Nepal tournament.
Okay.
Yeah, they called us as a guest team,
Okay.
because Indian players are very good. They called us and they thought that we are just small team and all. So we played against Nepal Police, okay? And yeah, that was a very good experience for me playing with my seniors. I am the most junior in the team.
Oh.
So yeah, so I feel proud that I am playing in the first six. So I don't stand for the substitute and all.
Yeah.
Everything I'll give my best, to play in the first six. So that's how it.
Is there anyone like a lesson you've learned as a professional player? Like how anything you've learned?
Yeah, actually, being a sportsman, I learned so many things. Like we sacrifice everything, like we don't get family. And recently my cousin got married, and she's very close to my heart, and she was calling me, come for my wedding and all. I was like, no, I can't come.
Sacrifice is a huge part.
Sacrifices, lots of sacrifices we are doing, So yeah, that's what.
Apart from volleyball, do you play any other sport?
Yeah, I play badminton. I
Okay.
play football. I love football.
Okay.
Playing as a goalkeeper, I love so much.
Have you played like
Yeah, I
in?
played for a Goa team. That Subroto tournament
Oh,
I
yeah.
played in Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
I suppose like every athlete, they have inspirations. Like they look up to some player, world player. Is there anyone that you look up to?
Yeah, there's
And what have you learned or whatever have you learned from them?
Actually, I don't prefer as this thing out of India. No
Okay,
one,
anyone from
yeah,
India.
India. Named as Minimal and Nirmal.
Okay.
They both are very good players, like they have Minimal, she got married and she have 8 years old baby, but still she have that same potential, same power. She plays same position, like she plays very good all out game. Yeah. And Nirmal also, she is now one of the top attacker in India.
So what have you learned from them?
Yeah. Actually, I also want to become like them.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm working now.
Okay. I'll get back to the past 2 years now.
Yeah.
COVID hit zalo सगळ्यांक. I think as a player also, you must have also had an impact.
Yeah.
What impact did you have due to COVID?
Actually, in the pandemic time, it was very difficult for us. Grounds, gyms, everything was closed. So we were at home only, and I gained 10 kgs. You
Oh.
know, yeah, it was very difficult for me. So we planned saying that we'll do one thing. आमची quarters असता पळय, railways quarters.
Yeah.
That terrace will be there. So evening time we used to go there. We used to practice there, and yeah, full team we used to cooperate with each other.
Okay.
And we were doing this thing. So time केन्ना गेलो तो काही कळना. So
मग आता म्हाका एक सांग, तुवें सांगलें गोंयान कांयच ना. Do you plan on something like, start करपाक गोंया हें कितें फुडाराक? तूं म्हणटा गोंयान कांयच ना, training na. There might be a lot of other children who want to become professional volleyball players. But do you have anything in mind, like to get something in Goa to help these kind of players, or maybe something like that?
Actually, yeah. First of all, there are so many good players. Ata recently 2-3 all Goa tournaments I played, and I saw like almost like 4-5 good players are there. So I told them like, what you want to be? You want to continue with your practices? They're telling no, there is no scope in volleyball in Goa. Then I told them, yeah, that's so many coaches are there, but they don't give any this thing, kind of
Support, government doesn't support.
Yeah. But now that Goa minister, who is that?
Govind
Gowde, yeah. He was like last time I have an interview poorly that he want to support this thing, and I surely like to be. Mak jai like tene kite changes korba, because he is this thing, he told so many things like he won't interact with this thing.
There's not going to be political pressure.
Political pressure and all.
Yeah.
Whoever plays good, they have to get the first chance.
Exactly.
That's what.
I also know that you've been living in Tamil Nadu. You were in Tamil Nadu before,
I was in Tamil Nadu.
and you've learned their language also. Can you say something for us?
Yeah.
Anything, whatever comes to your mind, you can say it, and then you can translate it in Konkani. What you
Yeah.
say?
So, ninge ippadi irkinga na? How are you?
Okay, I only understood how
Yeah,
are you.
yeah,
And
that's
what was the first part?
Ippadi irkinga.
What is that?
How are you?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
how
All
are
right.
you? Yeah.
Okay. I looking at your, I would say, resume. You are like an inspiration to the younger generation.
Yeah.
Is there any message you would like to send out to the youth?
Yeah, actually, I wanted to tell you that if you want anything, you can just go for good practices. Like there are so many coaches, I just want, if you want to be in the team, you have to be concentrate and good communication for all the my juniors. I'm telling, so they have to be very much conscious about their practices. And yeah, practice makes you perfect,
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it.
My last question to you would be, you've won so many medals. Can you just explain to us, or can you just give us a walkthrough of all the medals that you have won?
Okay.
Let people know that, for me, I also didn't know that, you won Lusophone game. A lot of people won't know about it. So I would like you to please tell the viewers what all medals you have won.
Yeah, okay. So far for Lusophone games, I got gold medal. BRICS tournament, which was held in South Africa, we won bronze medal. Senior nationals in Calicut, we won second place, silver medal.
Okay.
And in Bhubaneswar, we won gold medal. And in Thailand for junior India, we had a 5th position. Yeah, that's it.
Well, that was Stancy Fernandes for you. From Team Prudent side, I would like to wish Stancy all the best for the future endeavors. And I would like to thank you for coming on the show and sharing your experience with us. Till then, I would like to say thank you and keep watching Prudent.